What if I told you the system was never designed to make you rich? In fact, it might actually be designed to keep you poor. From the moment you're born, the system puts you on a path. Go to school, get good grades, get a job, work 40 hours a week for 40 years. Sounds normal, right? But here's the problem. School teaches you how to work for money, but it never teaches you how money works. So most people grow up doing the same thing. They work hard, they get paid, and then they spend it all on bills, debt, and things they don't really need. Credit cards, car loans, student loans. Before they realize it, they're stuck in a cycle. Wake up, work, pay bills, repeat, for decades. Meanwhile, the people who actually become wealthy follow a different rule. They don't just work for money. They make money work for them. They invest. They build assets. They create income that keeps coming in, even while they sleep. That's the difference between staying broke and building real wealth. If you want to learn the money rules the system never taught you, make sure you subscribe to the channel.